have so much stuff. Like if I don't find something, we have a problem, okay?
That girl, that girl, you ever been in love before? That girl.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title suggests, I'm showing you the latest, what is new at Fashionnova. This is going to be a first impressions / try on haul and a very personal one. Listen, this is pretty much the beginning to a little mini series. Your girl got a Bae-Cation coming up, okay? Your girl has just a little mini Bae-Cation coming up, okay? I'm heading to LA with my man, and I just wanted to pick up some clothes to wear while we're out there. So when I say that this try on haul is very personal, it's because I'm obviously looking for something particular, and it's just very much me. It's very much my style, okay? But at the same time, I made sure that I shopped only in the new in section so you guys can see what is the latest at Fashionnova. We got a little bit of everything, girl. We got tops and we have bottoms, we have sets. Let's go ahead and get into the first item. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the one set that I have. So like I said, it's a mini Bae-Cation, so we're only gonna be there for a couple of days, and or 2 nights to be exact, and one of the nights we're going to the basketball game. So I don't foresee us going out too much, but I wanted to get, you know, just one going out outfit in case we made it out, you know, the next night. So I picked this really cute 2-piece set. Let me put it on. Okay, so she fits the body properly, okay? She fits the body very properly. So as you can see, it is a 2-piece set. It is in a sage green color and it is ribbed. So the top is a strapless top. It has this faux underwire detail underneath the bust, and then it has really cute diagonal cuts to the bottom of the shirt, which really just, you know, draws attention to your hips, really helps give you an hourglass look. So like I mentioned, I picked this one up, you know, potentially as a going out, I'm sorry, my mirror is right here. Potentially as a going out set. So as far as the fit goes, starting with the pants, there is like this much stretch in them. So if I was literally any bigger, they actually wouldn't fit in the thigh area. But since they are probably stretched to the max, they are hugging the body very nicely, okay? They got the thighs, the legs, the booty looking good, okay? Also, there's a really large bell. Like I said, I put on some heels to see, you know, how good the length is, and the length is perfect on me. As far as the top goes, I really love the top. However, it is... we are hanging on by a wire on the chest area, okay? So I definitely would be a little nervous walking around in it. Obviously, I would have some double-sided tape to, you know, try and hold the top up, but you know, I would still be just a little bit nervous walking around in it. Also, the faux underwire, my girls just might be just a little bit too big for this shirt. However, I really like it. It might be something that I would risk it all for. It might be something I would risk it all for because I really love the way this looks on me. I couldn't decide between this like light green one, which actually would be really cute for like springtime, or it comes in other colors, so I picked it up in the like mustard yellow color too. So let me put this on and let's decide, is she getting packed for LA? You guys, okay. The yellow one might be going in the bag. I'll be honest, when I first put it on, I was like, ugh, this isn't the most, you know, cutest yellow. It's like, I don't know. When I was holding it in my hands, it wasn't my favorite yellow that I've ever seen. You know what I'm saying? But now that I have it on, and I need you to envision me just a little bit browner, just a little bit more my summer color, okay? Because your girl's definitely putting on a little tan before I leave. I feel like this might be more appropriate. You know, yellow, it is very LA, okay? I feel like the green, I really love the green. I think it would just be a little bit cuter if we were a little bit further into springtime. But yeah, so there's no difference as far as the fit goes between the two colors. I think I like it, and I think I'm putting this yellow one in the bag for a night out. Tell me what you think. Do you like yellow or green? Put your girl on, make sure you know I'm out here looking appropriate, okay? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay, so next up I have a pair of black jeans. These are called the I Get It From My Mama jeans, which I feel like I've tried these on before. I have done a whole Fashionnova jeans haul. I will go ahead and link that above. It's still up on my other channel. I did review that video to make sure that I didn't order something that I already own or have tried on before. These weren't on there, but I'm thinking, I wonder if I've tried these on in a different color. Anyways, so they are just a black pair of mom fit jeans. They are a really nice fit. There isn't much stretch to these jeans, but they're a nice pair of jeans, I'll be honest with you. They are high rise. They are a nice dark black pair of jeans. They're pretty long. They're folded at the bottom. I do really like these, and I think that if I have the right shirt for it, they could definitely be a contender to come with me to LA. As far as the top that I have on, this was me just stepping out of the box, okay, trying to try something different. So as you can see, it is a knitted halter top. It is a self tie around the neck, and then the back is not. So the back, it is what it is, girl, okay? Either she fit or she don't. It's not adjustable at all. So I really like, again, similar to the sets that I had just tried on, it has that same like cut detail, which again really enhances or draws attention to your hips and just really just helps with the hourglass look, which I really love. She's also just really sexy. So I noticed when I first put it on, I had it just a little bit looser, so it showed just a little bit more side boob. As far as the fit of it goes, it fits right on. The fit is perfect. She's very comfortable. Would I bring her to LA? I think I would. I think I would. I think she's really cute. I would probably pair her with a pair of just blue jeans, but I think she would be cute like if we do brunch or something, right? And if it's warmer out there, which I am expecting it to be since it's been so warm over here north. So I think, yeah, I think she would be really cute for a brunch, or like if we hit up Venice Beach or something, like I think that this would be really cute for that. So yeah, they're contenders. If I find something to pair with them, because your girl is trying to bring outfits, you know, I'm trying to be the girl that brings exactly what I need and not too much. I've never been her, but I'm trying. I'm either I don't bring enough or I bring too much. So I'm trying to be the girl right in between and put outfits together before we head out. So y'all help me out, okay? I have a pair of blue jeans to try on for you guys, so maybe one of those will go perfect with this top and I can bring it for, you know, Saturday morning brunch or something. And then as far as the jeans, they're a basic pair of black jeans, so if I find a shirt to wear with them, they will be easy to bring along. Okay, so next up I threw on this brown collared crop top. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me look one more time. Yeah, she is just a simple crop top. It is giving very much college dropout. It is giving very like sexy prep, right? It being like a almost, you know, a play off of a polo tee. I'm not sure if you could tell, but it is a ribbed top. She fits perfectly. I like where it hits as far as the crop goes, and then I like how far down the split in the middle is. It's, you know, sexy but not too much. Definitely would be cute for a daytime outfit. I would love to wear this with a baggy pair of jeans, which is actually what I have on. Now, a couple things I should have mentioned. Well, one, my current measurements and the sizes and links to everything that I got will be listed down below. Also, I'm just throwing pieces on. I didn't necessarily get them to go with what I'm putting them on with. So this top, I didn't necessarily get to go with these jeans. Now, if it worked out that way, that would be wonderful. Okay, but in this instance it didn't. So these jeans are a lighter blue pair of jeans. As you can see, they are a baggier wide leg jean, and then they have slits down the middle. I really want to love these jeans because I am totally into the wide leg baggy jean look. I am a 90s girl at heart, okay? But I'm not really feeling these much. They're cute, but for some reason I just don't feel like they're fitting my body type correctly. Like, I want them to be just a little bit tighter around my midsection, and then, you know, baggier the rest of the way down. I don't know. I like them. There's nothing wrong with them. They are, you know, rather comfortable. There's no stretch in them at all, but I still feel like they fit. I just want them to be just a little bit tighter, you know, around my waist and midsection. So I think that they're gonna be a no for me as far as bringing to my trip. But like I said, I don't hate them. I think that these would be both really cute with, you know, a pair of Air Force Ones or pairing it with a high heel. I think, you know, a simple white top would be really cute with these. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of potential. I just don't think that they don't match the vibe right now. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay, so next up I have this tan one shoulder bodysuit on, and then these brown pants. Let's start with the top. So as you can see, it is in this nude color, has this really sexy cutout going across the chest, and then there is a rib detail to it. The bodysuit part is fairly as comfortable as a bodysuit can be, okay? She is not so much thong, but she's not full coverage either, so she's somewhere in the middle. As far as this top goes, I really like it. I do not obviously like it with these pants, but I do really like this top a lot. I feel like she is sexy but comfortable, you know what I'm saying? So like a really casual night out, or like even going to a bar where you want to be just like a little bit more sexy, but you ain't trying to do too much. You ain't trying to be too uncomfortable. Do you get what I'm saying? I feel like this is perfect. Like, I would love to wear this with like a nice pair of jeans, or either in some leather pants and some heels. Like, that would be really comfortable and I feel like really sexy. So I do like this top a lot. She is another contender for my night out for sure. As far as the pants go, I'm also loving these pants. So you can see they are in like a light brown. Girl, you can see the color, okay? Like jean material, but out of everything, these have the most stretch to them. And then as far as like the pockets and stuff go, they have like a cargo-esque feel to them. I like these a lot. So I believe I got everything in a size 9 except for these. I got them in a size 7. I love the way they fit, your girls. You know, my booty looking nice in these. So I like them a lot for that reason. I just wish they were a little longer. So I think that definitely if I would have got the size 9, they would have been a little bit baggier. They would have been a little bit longer, but they probably wouldn't have fit as nicely on my backside. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm really loving these. For the night that we go to the basketball game, I have this really cute tan Kobe shirt that I want to wear. You know, I'm trying to, you know, make sure I'm, you know, fitting in, going with the crowd, okay? But I'm not wearing no Lakers nothing, because your girl is a Warriors fan, okay? Period, okay? Period. I'm just there for the experience. Also, my man is a Lakers fan. So I got a tan Kobe shirt. That might be really cute with these pants. So these pants might be a contender for the game. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're real casual, but I still feel, you know, I feel like, okay, you know, I still feel good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, these might be a contender. I like them a lot. Okay, so next up I have actually those black pair of jeans, I get it from my mama jeans. I got them in a light blue wash as well. And then, so maybe that's where I've seen them before. Anyways, and then I got this long sleeve gray bodysuit. Let's start with the bodysuit. So first of all, the fit is perfect. She is very comfortable. The sleeves are very long. They even have finger holes in it, which I think is super cute. I like the neckline, how it is a low neckline, but then also has this like, oh, there's a wire in there, triangle detail right here. And then as you can see, the bodysuit is very, very high-waisted. So it is meant to have, you know, your hips or lower abdomen area exposed. So as far as the top goes, I'm really feeling it. I think that it would be really cute, probably with a baggier pair of jeans, and it would be really cute for like a night out, like if you're maybe bar hopping or something and you want to be like sexy cash. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's long sleeve, so she's a bit warmer, which is nice. But then I feel like she's still sexy. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, she's giving you, I'm sexy, but I don't need to do too much to show it, even though I got all my hips out. You get what I'm trying to say, okay? I really do like this a lot. Gray is also my color, so yeah, she's really cute. And then as far as the pants go, ditto to everything I said about the black pair. There's no stretch in them at all, but they do fit perfectly, and I love the way they are hugging the backside. Okay, it's looking proper. I also really like this light blue color. I think these are my favorite pair of jeans that I've tried on today, even more than the last pair of like cargo pants that I showed you. These are my favorite for sure. I think whether I take these to LA will just depend on, you know, what tops I bring, what tops and shoes, you know, I can find to pair with it, but these are definitely staying in my wardrobe no matter what. So I'm really digging these pants. Okay, so I did actually just switch tops because I do have an odd amount of tops. So as you can see, this is a one shoulder black ribbed top. She's very cute, she's very simple, she's very sexy. I think that you could get a lot of good uses out of this, whether you're pairing with skirts or jeans or pleather pants. Like, this is a staple. Like, you could definitely do a lot of looks with this top. If I'm not mistaken, it does come in other colors too, so I do like it a lot. I think that I would say if you were interested in this top at all, to size up one size, because she is tight right here. She's really tight right here, and honestly she's kind of tight in my arms too. So even though, you know, I like how form-fitting it is, I would definitely size up one size. As far as bringing it to LA, I don't think I need it. I don't think it goes with anything, you know, that I got going on or that I'm feeling so far. But like I said, she is definitely a staple and could be worn with tons of different things. Okay, and then last but not least, I have another bodysuit. Apparently I was really feeling bodysuits when I was shopping, okay? And one more pair of blue jeans. So to start with the bodysuit, I really like it. It's super comfortable. As you can see, it is off the shoulder. I love off the shoulder tops. That's kind of my jam. It does have buttons down the middle, and I'll be honest, if your bust is any bigger than mine, this top might be too small for you, because the buttons, they are almost struggling in separating, but I feel like I'm just barely at the point to where I could get away with it. As far as the bodysuit goes, the bodysuit is comfortable. She's just a simple black top, so I think that she's just a staple. Like, if I'm not sure what else to wear, I could for sure throw this on, whether I'm dressing it up or dressing it down. As far as the jeans go, I really like these a lot as well. These ones do have a nice stretch to them, so they are fitting the body nicely. They are nice and long, so they would be great with a pair of heels. They do have a bit of distress on them, as you can see. I don't think it's too much or misplaced at all. I really like these. I think, again, these would be another great like daytime pair of jeans if you're, you know, trying to dress up just a little bit for the daytime, maybe throwing on a heels and, you know, a casual top. Maybe that green top, that knitted one, would go cute with this. Maybe I should try it. Anyways, so that is it for this try on haul. Definitely in the comments down below, let me know what you were feeling. Okay, I think that I am leaning towards the yellow set for a night out, the brownish jeans, but maybe those blue ones that I told you that I get it from my mama ones, one of those pair of jeans for the actual basketball game. I'm not sure what I'll wear like during the day or for brunch yet. Like I said, I'm kind of feeling that green knitted top, so maybe that with a pair of, I don't know, girl, we'll see. Make sure you check back. I am posting a maintenance vlog and a travel vlog as well to conclude this series, so definitely check back to see what I actually ended up wearing, or like I said, put your feedback in the comments down below. Help your girl out. If you ended up liking this video, will you please hit that like button? If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I post fashion and lifestyle related content a few times a week, and I'd love to have you come hang with your girl. Until next time, bye.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've been in love before that.